Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a seamless cloth flip effect in video, where the model's outfit changes quickly with smooth transitions. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more creative tutorials. First, open Premiere Pro and create a new project. Next, drag your video clip into the project panel to import it into Premiere Pro. Then, drag your video from the project panel onto the timeline to start editing. Now, mark the area where you want to apply the effect. Click the playhead on the first mark. Click the playhead on the first mark, then press the camera icon to capture the video frame. Now, save this captured frame to a new folder on your computer. Now, press the right arrow key on your keyboard to move to the next frame. Now, repeat the same process for all frames where you want the cloth flip effect. All the frames we captured are now saved in this folder. Next, open Photoshop to start editing the captured frames. Next, open Photoshop to change the model's outfit in each frame. Select the first image and open it in Photoshop. Select the model using the Object Selection tool in Photoshop. Go to Select, Modify, Expand to slightly expand your selection for better coverage. Now select the lasso tool and choose the subtract option. Use it to carefully remove the face area from your selection. It will generate 3 options. Choose the one that looks most natural for your frame. Save the edited image in a new folder for your project. Now, open the next image in Photoshop to edit. Make a selection around the cloth area using the Object Selection tool. and use Generative Fill to create a new outfit for the model. Now, create selections for the other images and add new outfits using Generative Fill. Now we have all 58 captured frames and the 58 corresponding images with newly generated outfits ready for the cloth flip effect. Here you can slide through and preview all the images to check the outfits. Now, drag the folder with all the edited images into the project panel in Premiere Pro. Now, drag the images onto the timeline and check their duration. By default, it's 5 seconds. We need to set each image's length to just 1 frame. Okay, remove the images for now. Go to Edit Arrow Preferences Arrow Timeline and change the still image default duration from seconds to frames. Then set the still image default duration to 1 frame and click OK. Now save your project and restart Premiere Pro to apply the changes. Now restart Premiere Pro and check. The frames are set correctly so we can move forward. First, add an image to the timeline and check if its duration is set to 1 frame. Now, select all images by holding Shift and drag them onto the timeline. Place the images on the timeline at the points where we previously added the marks. You can also add sound to these images to create a cool cloth flip effect. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials. Thanks for watching.